Here's the thing. Kumikita ka na ng 60K, 80K, 100K, o even 200K per month. But, bakit parang kulang pa rin? There's this feeling na you're supposed to be further ahead by now. Na parang feeling mo, sobrang behind ka. So in this video, let's figure out, alin ka doon? Are you far ahead or are you way behind? And there are actually 5 signs na pwede nating malaman that you're actually doing better than you think. Sign number 1, that you're actually doing well financially. And this might surprise you. It's that you're not trying to show people that you're actually doing well financially. There's actually this thinker, his name is Naval Ravikant. I'm not sure if that's the correct pronunciation. He said, building wealth is a positive sum game. And signaling wealth is actually a zero-sum game. A zero-sum game means may talo para may manalo. Status actually works that way. Sa trabaho, bago may ma-promote, dapat may matanggal. And para ma-feel mong mananalo ka, may kailangang ma-feel matalo. And that's why it really never satisfies. Kasi laging may mas malaki, mas bago, may mas mahal, may mas maraming followers sa social media, and so on. While, yung positive sum game, it means you can win without someone else losing. And building actual wealth, mapa-saving, investing, building a business, walang competition. You're just building. At alam mo ba, sa totoo lang, yung mga taong financially well-off talaga na mga kakilala ko, tahimik lang. And it's not about being kuripot. It's about not confusing the signal with the thing itself. And most probably, the person posting 200,000 pesos online or yung mga setup nilang sobrang gaganda, baka productive nga siya. Pero yung iba kasi, baka ginagawa lang yon para sa status. Ang point dito is, hindi mo alam kung paano mo huhusgahan. Hindi mo alam kung financially okay ba talaga yung tao. He could be financing all of it. He could be in installments, pwedeng 12 months, 24 months. You can never know. Wealth is actually invisible by design. If you're building quietly, that's not falling behind. That's actually sign 1.